Hi, this is Andrew. So today my homework assignment is to create a frequency distribution. So here's the problem. I have 10 scores in the distribution. I use this tool for statistics problems that I found online called cram101.com because it beats Excel and it makes this task fairly easy. So we'll go to the menu here and click frequency distribution. And it allows us to select the number of data points. My problem has 10, so we'll choose 10. And then CRAM allows us to put in random data or fixed data, which is like an exercise they've already done for us. We're just going to put in our problem homework assignment here. So 6 is our first, and then 73, 29, 97, 63, 97, 74, 48, 63, and 95. Okay, we have our data then entered into the table. So the first step we want to do is to order the data numerically. What CRAM suggests is that you enter the data, solve the exercise manually, and then check your work by clicking each of the steps below. We're going to go ahead and just proceed here. So we're going to order the data numerically. That puts it in numerical order from lowest number to the highest number. So we go from 6 to 97. And the next thing we want to choose in a frequency distribution is the number of intervals or classes. This allows us to shrink the distribution into more meaningful buckets. And the number of intervals is really a very arbitrary decision depending on how much information you want. We're going to just select 5 intervals. And we then see our upper limit of the distribution is 97. That's right here. The lower level of the distribution is 6. The range is 91, which is basically taking 6, subtracting it from 97. And then to get the interval size, you take the range of the distribution, 91, and divide it by the number of intervals that we chose, which is 5, and then round it up. And so we'll have 19 different possible values in each of the intervals that we selected. So here's our intervals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each of them basically are 19 numbers in length. You'll see that the lower limit of the interval is 5.5 and the upper limit is 24.5. What we do is so all numbers fit into a distribution and there's always mutually exclusive values. The 6, for example, is our lower limit, so we subtract 0.5 from 6, so 5.5, and then we subtract 24.5, which is the higher level. The next step we want to do after we've gotten our classes and our interval size is to actually put in the frequency. So what we do here is basically go back to our numerical list. And for each class, we take the values that we see that fit into those classes and add that as a frequency. So in the first case, we only have one number that fits in the interval 5.5 to 24.5. And so we go on and on. Next step to do then is to plot out our frequency distribution table if we like. I put it onto a histogram. Again, this is a lot easier than Excel. It gives us the shape of our distribution, and we can see we're kind of biased towards the higher end. CRAM allows you to put in a polygon too if you'd rather have a polygon than a histogram. I kind of like the histogram, so we'll go back to that. And that's all there is to creating a frequency distribution. Thank you.